Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today I'm going to talk about 15 business ideas that you can start with $10 to $100. That in Kenya shillings is 100 shillings to 10,000 shillings. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. For those who have subscribed, thank you very much. Okay, business number one that you can start, street food business. This one you can identify construction sites in your neighborhood or even markets and then start selling food to them. This one you can do, I think this one you need the pots and pans and jikos and also utensils and then the food to prepare. So with 10,000 shillings, I think will be good to go for a start. The next one is food vending stall, fruits vending stall, sorry. This one you can stock different kinds of fruits, bananas, apples, oranges, passion fruits, any kind of fruit, name it. You can stock them and start selling them because many people love fruits. So when they find variety of fruits in your shop, they will buy. Today I'm holding a paper because there are so many. Then the third one would be grocery store. There are so many farmers who bring their vegetables in big markets here in the city, like in Marikiti, Gikomba, Korokocho. You find that they sell at a favorable price, and then once you buy, you can always add some profit on the vegetables that you buy. That's another good business right there. Then the fourth one would be cleaning services. These ones you can approach your neighbors, schools, offices, companies and offer your services. These ones I think you will need more of brushes, brooms, mops, buckets and detergents. So I think with 10,000 shillings you'll be able to start that. Selling second-hand clothes. There are markets here in the city that open bales, second-hand clothes bale, different kinds of bales. So you can go in the market with either 1,000 shillings, 2,000 shillings, and you choose. They usually have clothes that you can choose as low as 100 shillings, 50 shillings, and then come home, iron them, and start selling. The other one is baking. If you have an oven in the house and you're not using it more frequently, you can start baking. You can do this for friends, family, neighbors. You can advertise in online groups. You can advertise on Facebook, Instagram, and you get customers. Then there's poultry farming. This one you can do in the village, in your countryside. But if you have a big space in the city where you stay and you are allowed to construct a little house for the chicken, the poultry, then you can start. You can buy the small, the 1 day old chicks or even a week old chicks and start rearing them, feeding them, and then once they grow, you sell them at a good amount. Tip number 8 is becoming a hairstylist, a mobile one. This one you'll not need a shop or a stall or what. You just need to go to where your customer is. So you plait or you make your customers' hair at the comfort of their home or even where they are, and they are comfortable with making the hair there. So this one I think you just need the fare, the transport fare to go to the customer and back, and that one you need, or maybe you can as low as 1,000 shillings, then you're going to start. Then the other one is making handicrafts or beaded jewelry. These ones are very good. I like these ones. You can find them in the end product. You can find in Masai Market. So you can start selling to the vendors who sell in Masai Market, or even you can start and then get a space there and sell your wares, or even you can sell to family, to friends, to people generally. Today I'm going to make this video very short, so we are going fast. Then the other one is making homemade snacks. These are like samosas, spring rolls, mini sausage rolls, kebabs, and then you supply to your customer. With this one, I think what you need is some money to buy the ingredients, but most of the time I see those who prepare, they get deposits from the customer. The customer pays a deposit, a certain amount of deposit, and then you go and buy the ingredients, and then when you deliver the finished product, they pay you the balance. So this one you can start from even 0 to whatever amount, considering the quantity that the customer wants. Then selling second-hand books. This is a business venture I realized is very good just recently. There's a lady I know in town who sells these second-hand books, and she's doing very well. She advertises in Facebook, Instagram, and she has a lot of customers, and you can target the readers. There are people who read books in a day or even a week. They can read 2 books, so you can target those readers. Wanapenda kusoma. Then the other one is selling second-hand handbags and shoes. Those ones you can also get in Kikomba. You can get it in toy market. You go and choose according to the amount that you have, and then you come and sell for a profit. Then selling toys, you can sell second hand or new. Those ones really go fast because parents usually buy them for their kids, and they are good for keeping them company. And then the other one is a gas retail shop. You can start with few cylinders, 3 or 2 or 5, depending on the price that you get in the market. I've seen people who have they start with 2 cylinders, and then they progress from there. So once the business starts growing, then you need more capital. Even the businesses that I've just told you here, you'll not need that 10,000 every 30. That is it and it. No, business needs to be stocked and restocked all the time. So this is just ideas of starting a business. And then once it progresses, you add more money into the business. Then there is a daycare. Daycare, you can do, you can approach your neighbors. Maybe someone doesn't have a nanny to leave their kids with. You can approach them, and you can do it in your house. You can start doing it in your house. I think what this needs most is just cleanliness, a warm place. I think the room should be carpeted so that the kids won't feel cold when they are playing. And then as you progress, maybe then you can find a place where you can now do that commercial daycare and all that. Then this one also needs maybe some toys. You need to stock some toys. And then the food, for the food preparation, you can talk to the parents. Maybe they are not comfortable with you feeding their children whatever you prepare. They can come with the food. Then when it's time to feed them, you warm the food, and give it to the children. This one I have experienced because my last born daughter was raised in a daycare from when she was 6 months up to when she was around going to 4 years. So every day, 5 days in a week, we used to take her to the daycare. So we used to prepare her clothes, change of clothes, pampers, wet wipes, and food. You pack like you're going on a trip every single day for over 3 years. And it was working good for me because I didn't have that pressure of nannies and nannies waking up in the morning and saying, "Mi naenda." So we were just comfortable, me and my daughter. It used to work for us. So this one is a good idea. Anyone who wants to start a daycare, they can start small. These ideas that I've given you here are for starting small. Starting small. You don't need a lot of capital to start. But as you progress, then you'll be needing some money to pump into the business. So guys, these are the 15 business ideas that I had for today. And I hope this video will be an eye-opener to someone who has little money to start a business. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and like, share with your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.